Alright, hi, I'm Edna from Oodles of Chocolate, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some popcorn caramel balls dipped in chocolate. So we're going to start with our popcorn. We just use microwave popcorn, so you can basically use any kind. You just put it in the microwave till it's done. We have some that's already pre-popped here to make things easy. So you want to make sure that you take the kernels, all the kernels are out from the bottom. Because you don't want to bite into a kernel and hurt your teeth. Okay, so then the next thing we need is Kraft caramels. You can use any kind of caramels, but Kraft has a smoother, sweeter flavor. So you just unwrap your caramels and then we're just going to pop them in the microwave. When you make your heat your caramels, you should add a couple teaspoons of milk to them, and it just helps them to smooth out a little bit. So we're just going to drop that in here, just a little bit extra. Then we're going to microwave it. You want to microwave it for about 30 seconds. Less is more. You don't want to put it in for too long, because if you do, you're going to overheat your caramel. Ready? Okay, so you're just going to stir your caramel. It's really hot, so you have to be very careful. But you want to stir it so all of the milk is incorporated. And it's a nice smooth mixture. Okay. And then once you have that done, you just take your spatula in your bowl and you're just going to pour it over top of your popcorn. Oh, nice and creamy. And then you're just going to take your popcorn and you're just going to toss it with the caramel. It doesn't have to be completely coated, but as long as the majority of it is done. And remember, it's really hot, so if little hands are working on it, you might want to let it cool down for a second first. And you can see that the caramel is all starting to coat the popcorn. So you want to keep going until it's pretty much totally covered. Okay. All right, and then we're going to put them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. So you want to take, I just take a little bit of parchment paper and a little bit of butter, and you want to just coat your cookie sheet lightly so that your popcorn balls don't stick. And the sticks that we're using today, you can buy them actually at Michael's, or I think Bull Brand has them as well. They're the wooden sticks. You can use the little sucker sticks, but the wooden sticks just give it a really cute fall look. They suggest when you're making popcorn balls to wet your hands with cold water, and it helps the popcorn not stick to your hands. I like to get a little bit messy and just use a little bit of butter on my hands. And then you're just going to pick it up. You're going to form it so that it makes a nice, like the size of a baseball. You want it to be pretty firm because you want it to all hold together, especially when you're dipping it in chocolate. So we're just going to make 3 or 4. They're really easy to do, but they are so tasty. 3. So we're just going to take the wooden sticks and you just want to pierce the popcorn ball. You just want to be sure that it fits tightly around it once you have it in there, because when you dip it, you don't want your stick to fall out. Okay, so 2. Technically you can eat the popcorn balls just like this once they're made. They're delicious already, but we're going to take them one step further today and we're going to dip them in chocolate. So we're going to use chocolate wafers to make them, and the chocolate wafers come like this. We're going to melt them in the microwave again, the same as the caramel, less is more. So you don't want to overheat your chocolate. So you're going to heat it up for 30 seconds at a time, and then we'll stir it and it'll be nice and smooth. So after 30 seconds, your chocolate won't be completely melted, but you don't want to overheat it. So it's best to take it out, and you're going to just gently stir it around a little bit and then put it in for another 30 seconds. So we're just going to, you don't want your chocolate to be completely melted, because if it's completely melted, it's been overheated. So you just want to see the little bits of chocolate still in there, and you just want to stir it until it's nice and smooth. All right, so it's time for dipping. And then you're going to need a parchment lined cookie sheet so that your chocolate does not stick to your pan. Make sure it's nice and firm. Okay, so just one at a time, you're just going to pick up the stick and you're going to dip the bottom half of it into your chocolate. And you want to just shake the popcorn ball a little bit to release all the excess chocolate, because if you don't, it's just going to make a big puddle around the bottom, and it doesn't taste bad, but it looks much better. Okay, we're going to have some sprinkles. You can add score bits, you can add Oreo cookies, you can add sprinkles. We're just going to put the sprinkles on today just because they look really pretty. This time of year you can get all fall sprinkles, so you can put them on. And then just gently lay it on the sheet. Move on to the next one. Give it a little shake. Okay, so it's trying to come off the stick. And then you're just going to take your sprinkles. And that's two. Okay. So once you have them made, you want to take them and place them in the fridge for just a few minutes. And then this is your finished product. So if you want to give them for gift giving, you can just put them in a cute little bag, tie them with a ribbon, and they're absolutely adorable for giving as gifts. Halloween's coming. They're fun to make for Halloween. If you're interested, we will actually have the kits available in our shop here at Oodles of Chocolate for you to come and purchase.